Yo guys, this product sold over $300,000 in the internet in the last 30 days. I want to show you exactly what is the method that actually helped me find these products. But before that, let's see the results. This product is actually located in AliExpress. You can find it in $9. Okay, and if you go to Amazon, you can search the same keyword and you will see the product actually sold like crazy. How you know that? If you go down below, you can see that 700 pieces bought in the past months, which is the last 30 days. Additional 200, additional 2000, additional 200, and additional 600, 800, 1000. And also, if you go to Facebook ads, you will see that this product sold like crazy. So if you don't know me yet, by the way, I'm Aviv and I'm making e-commerce for 7 years, and my store generate over $19 million in the internet on especially Facebook and Google ads. And I know how to find really good products that actually help people and solve a problem. And if you go actually to my school community, you can see how actually the method exactly that I find tens and thousands of products every month, which is winning products and trending products that sold currently in Amazon and other platforms. But if we go back to this product, you can see that it's really trendy and the profit margin is really good. You can see that actually people sell that in 99, 94, 100, and it cost only $9. So it's 1000% profit margin. So if you want to know exactly how I do this method, go inside to my school community and I will show you the secret inside.